Oh my god, that's so much. Just a little disclaimer that I'm not a makeup artist or a beauty guru or creator or anything like that. This is just me sharing this everyday makeup look. But first I want to do like an honorary mention for my favorite nail polish color lately, since we are talking about beauty and makeup and all that in this video. So it's this beautiful pink color from OPI. It's called Susie Shops and Island Hops. Really weird name, but like it's the prettiest pink color. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face. So I use this e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I'm gonna just like put that all over my face. It's like nothing that crazy. And then I am just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips because I feel like I'm really chapped and I kind of like to do all of my bases just at once. I am gonna just do eyebrows first. So I use a L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set kind of like pomade. Like, let's see if I can, okay, there we go. But yeah, so I'm using this L'Oreal product. I usually just reshape my brows like quite a bit. Okay, so that's it for eyebrows. I'm gonna just like comb them out a little bit. I'm going to move on to eyeshadow now. So I usually use this Blush Crush ColourPop palette. Like, it's my favorite palette. I use it a lot. So I'm gonna just mix Lovesick and The One. So like these two shades, like here it's kind of like a pinky white and then this like peachy orange. That's just what I use as the base. This shimmer shade, it's called Papa Bottle. It's like that shade right here. I'm gonna just like with my finger just like lightly dab some of it like on the lid. It's like I said, this is like a child. This is like a child playing with makeup literally, but just dab a little bit of Enchanted mixed with Made You Blush, these like darker pink shades. I'm gonna just mix those together and dab them in the outer corner. Cannot go a day without lashes since I started wearing them 2 years ago. I wear them like with all of my makeup looks. They're the Ardell ones that I use, and if you can believe it, I got these at Dollar Tree. Just gonna like make sure they're on securely by using this little mirror. I am gonna add, I almost forgot to add a little bit of my eyeshadow stick in my like inner corner here. So I use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color 611 Yogurt. It's like a pinky color. You can see it from here though. But yeah, it's really pretty. I will also link everything down below if you guys like want to shop anything. But I am just gonna like apply that in my inner corner because it gives it like a little bit of sparkle. I've really been going with this Maybelline Dream BB Cream in, it's like a medium sheer tint, and I have to say the color match is like perfect. It looks super natural and it's very lightweight. Like, it's honestly one of my favorite products. I've used this since, variations of this since like high school. So I'm gonna just dab a little bit of, I also don't do anything in order that you're supposed to do for face makeup either. BB cream, look, it just gave my skin a little bit of, you know, like color to like match up so my skin's not as like red and stuff. I am gonna just add a little concealer on some of these like blemishes that are coming out. So I just use, this is looking really gross, but it's like the Fit Me concealer, and I just use, it's from Maybelline, but yeah, it just looks like this. I've had this forever. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but yeah, this is just what it looks like. It's really old, like I said. I'm just kind of using products that I have, so I am just gonna dab this on some problem spots. I also have these two like beauty marks on my face. I always cover those up. I have this like scar on my forehead, that blemish. I am gonna use a Fit Me setting powder. It's like a matte and poreless. I usually do all powder products all matte because like my skin's on the oilier side. So this is the Fit Me powder, which I really like this. I also really like their foundation. If I had to use a foundation, I would use the Fit Me one. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit of that powder. So next we're gonna do bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So I've been using this Benefit palette. I got it last year and it's honestly, it's great. I love Benefit products. Like, I think Benefit's one of my favorite makeup brands. So the bronzer is just this Hoola bronzer right here. I know a lot of you guys really like the Hoola bronzer, and I have to agree that I also really like it. It's a very like natural looking bronzer. Bronzer is like not one of my favorite products as well. I try not to wear like too much of it. Like, I just kind of, oh my god, that's so much. Me just saying I don't wear a lot of it. Alright, let's do a little bit of blush. I want to blend this out more, but I'm gonna just do a little bit of blush. So it's the Benefit Rockabye blush here. That's what it looks like there. And a nice one because it's not super dark and it blends out really easily. It does have a really nice sheen to it as well. but I am going to do some highlighter now. So I'm using the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle Highlighter now, which this is pretty. I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this, but I like this again for like an everyday highlighter use because it's not very pigmented. There's no fallout either, which I think is kind of nice. Like it's just a very subtle highlighter. Like it looks very pretty, right? I think it's pretty. I really have been liking freckle products. And I've tried a ton of different ones, and I have to say the ColourPop Freckle Pen in the light brown is my favorite. It looks like this. Can you like see that? Yeah, you could. I just do them kind of like randomly. I don't know. Like randomly on my face a little bit here. I just think it's really cute. So I usually just use a random Maybelline mascara, although I do have a Benefit one I want to try out. The one I'm currently using is Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express. It's like a waterproof one. I like the product. I'm not crazy about the brush because the brush has like really small bristles. I don't know if you can really see that, but yeah, the brush has really small bristles. So like I'm not crazy about it. And I am that person that makes a face when they apply mascara, so. The lipstick I wear is a Maybelline one. It's 555 Naked Coral. It's like a nice like coral pink color. This is what like the packaging looks like really pretty packaging. And then I'll show you what the color looks like if it wants to. Yeah, it's a really nice lipstick for every day. I wear this honestly every single day. It's my favorite lipstick. It's a vibe. And then I'm going to just use this random like Wet n Wild lip gloss over the top. Like I feel like you can use any lip gloss if you wanted to like add it, because like I like the consistency of lipstick but the look of lip gloss. But now I'm going to use some setting spray. So I've been currently using Benefit The Professional Super Setter. It looks like this and I love this setting spray. So I'm going to just use this quickly. Okay, I've like fixed myself. I put a little headband on just to get the hair out of the face, but yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys kind of like it. This is what I wear in like all of my videos, so thought I'd switch it up today. I'll link what I can in the description box and be back soon with another video. So thank you guys so much for watching this one. Bye guys.